The dispute involving Amber Heard and her ex-husband Johnny Depp was finally resolved on June 1st of this year, and she was now forced to pay Johnny Depp $8.35 million. This news shocked Amber Heard to her core. It used to be larger, but certain deductions have been made, and the remaining sums are not insignificant. As a result, she has been attempting to devise a way to escape sad circumstances, but her efforts have failed. Now, many are wondering if filing for bankruptcy is their only alternative. We'll discuss the problem in greater detail in the video. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how Elon Musk speaks on Amber Heard, bribing him before testifying. Yeah, you heard it right. What is the current status of Amber Heard's endeavors? Given the amount mentioned in the opening, it'll not get much simpler for her. Heard seeks funding to pay Depp, the owing millions. According to the New York Post, she is now not quite wealthy, as she is reportedly bankrupt and has not yet filed for bankruptcy. She would need to liquidate assets to pay Johnny Depp's compensation. If Heard is unable to pay, Depp may seize her property, including her California house in Yucca Valley. According to attorney Jeremiah Denton, Depp is able to commence collection activities, allowing him to garnish shirt pay if she gets a salary or other money. He can attach her assets, which amounts to their confiscation. Then, he can sell them for profit. Heard's attorney Elaine Charleston-Bredehoff has already acknowledged that the actress cannot pay the entire amount, that is equal to $8.35 million. Elon Musk may eventually need the actress to sell the Tesla Model X that he gave her, but this has not yet transpired. Nonetheless, this is a method for debtors to acquire funds. It'll come at the sacrifice of some things that they clearly value, which is why Amber Heard has been seeking alternative methods to earn money, even if it means continuing to do everything she can to get people to listen to her. Amber Heard is reportedly in negotiations to pen a tell-all book to supplement her income following the loss of an $8 million defamation lawsuit. According to a source close to the 36-year-old actress, she was broke and unable to refuse the money. She believes her Hollywood career is done and has nothing left to lose, according to sources, after a string of disastrous months. According to a source who spoke with OK Magazine, Amber believes her Hollywood career is over. She's already begun negotiations and is excited. In her first public interview following her court defeat, she indicated that she was afraid to tell her side of the story, in which she accused of physical NSA throughout their relationship, which terminated several years ago. Heard told Dateline that she was stung by the hostility and vitriol directed at her, but she did not regret bringing the matter to court despite her loss and the case's extensive publicity. I'm aware that not being believed, being considered a liar, or being humiliated is the worst and most terrifying experience for anyone speaking about SV. She was told that she remained silent because she was vindictive, but this would be a terrible way to seek retribution. She said, "I just want people to consider me as a person, which is a fine thing to say and want, despite the absurdity of the statement. The difficulty, though, is that Amber Heard has repeatedly been identified as someone who is not particularly nice, particularly to those closest to her, including her boyfriends, family, and assistants. This puts us no closer to locating Johnny Depp. Although the book contract has not yet been finalized, they would probably not spend millions of dollars on it. Unfortunately for her, she's currently in a time-sensitive situation. The mistrial is currently in progress. Amber Heard and her legal team recently sought to play a new card by submitting a motion for mistrial. What was the reasoning behind this? Simply said, there were issues about the legitimacy of only one nameless juror, and as a result of a discrepancy, they and the trial should be thrown out. They exerted much effort to make this occur. However, the judge noted that there was no strong indicators of impropriety and that both Amber Heard's team and Johnny Depp's team had the option to investigate this juror and their potential difficulties, but neither party did so because the court procedures were conducted without incident. There is no indication that this individual influenced the verdict. Thus, the endeavor was rejected, placing her in a perilous situation. Amber Heard has been the target of multiple bankruptcy-related rumors for at least 6 weeks, and a third party has described the alternatives that Amber Heard believes she currently possesses. There are rumors of a potential appeal. Due to the failure of the retrial, she may seek an appeal to a higher court to examine what she claims were errors in the initial hearing. It remains to be seen whether she does so, especially since this may be the only route forward. Moreover, he said that she could submit an appeal with a higher court, repay the bill in some fashion, or declare bankruptcy. That would be an intriguing bet. However, given that she hasn't filed for it yet and has made it clear through various sources that she's broke, this may present significant obstacles, especially given that the courts and judge of her most recent case are not exactly on her side given her actions. In addition, there is a possibility that even if she filed for bankruptcy, the court would order the sale of her property to compensate Johnny Depp partially. Amber Heard would not want that, so we must see what she does now that her current Gambit contract has expired. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.